Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a drawing on some Strathmore Tone Tan paper using mostly colored pencils. And I started out here thinking I was going to use my Lyra aqua color, and then I wasn't sure how much water the paper would hold in terms of the hydrating those. I have used acrylic paint on and gouache, and that does really, really well, but that's not super wet. So I did later try on a scrap piece of paper, and it did really well with my Inktense, my Lyra, and my Caran d'Ache. So in future, I think I'll do that. I did try, you see here, I grabbed one of the distress pencils, and they weren't quite doing it for me. I don't know. I'm still kind of torn. I have a video coming up talking about those compared with other watercolor pencils, and much more opacity from regular watercolor pencils, and the Caran d'Ache and Lyra and Inktense, of course. Anyways, I was drawing a plant here, and so I'm using a few shades of yellows and greens and a little bit of brown to kind of give a variegated leaf, kind of going from dark to light. I wish I had drawn the initial leaves in something lighter, so I was kind of having to work with the fact that I drew that in a dark brown pencil that you see there on the left. Oh well, you just kind of go with it and change plans a little. Gotta be a little flexible. So thank you for joining me today. I want to check out the links below as we go along here, and don't be afraid to like and subscribe or dislike, as the case may be. But that lets YouTube know to promote this video, which is helpful to me. So I'm going back in with some of those colors to kind of blend them out. There are different ways you can blend colored pencils. You can use like the Gamsol, which I have. I just didn't tend to grab it. So instead I was just using colored pencil on colored pencil to go back in with those lighter colors and kind of merge the darker, medium, and light, I guess, as it were there. So filling in some dirt inside my pot there, so it doesn't look like the stem is floating and nothing. And then coming in and kind of filling in over the top of that Lyra aqua crayon that I was using. Now that does have a bit of wax in it, I think, so I was sliding about there a little bit. So anyways, it all worked out. I have enough different kinds of products that eventually I got it smooth. But sometimes you start with one idea and it kind of morphs into another, but you just never know. So I've got my Faber-Castell Polychromos white pencil there, and this fairly opaque, which is nice. So I was going ahead and giving some detail to the leaf there and down the middle, as you can see, and then I'm decorating the pot with some of the Lyra pencil. Boy, I always want to call them other things. The Lyra crayons, so to speak. And going on there, trying to give a little shadow and decoration, and then giving a little hint of that glow up on top on the leaves. I like to kind of echo the colors somewhere else. And then just, again, blending and blending until I'm happy with it. So thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you get down there and get out your supplies and have fun. Don't forget to check out those links, like and subscribe. I hope you create something today.